There's my car. See that big snowbank there? It was all the way up to the mid of the back of my car. I had huge piles of snow on it. Yeah, that's her car. She was downstairs. Completely covered. This is an older woman. I don't even know. And they have yet to plow our streets. And I have no winter tires. Those are going to be installed tomorrow if I can get there. This all happened overnight. I just shoveled this. Oh man, you stunk. Probably sees me with the camera, think what the fuck's she doing? Yeah, we gotta push it? I'm not sure if you can see this. I'm that much of a loser. I got my camera in my car. But those are the snowbanks. They've only plowed one side. This is actually my street I'm turning onto because I am that retarded. Stupid ride home piece of shit traffic. Anyway, look at how retarded that is. That's a little bit overly decorative. That's another house. But yeah, this is our 30 centimeters worth of snow piled up. They plowed this side of the street 2 days ago. So imagine this one path for the cars to drive down with this kind of snow on one side and on the other side and no parking anywhere. You actually had to kind of, like what this guy did, kind of wiggle in somehow. End up having to dig a whole thing with Laura so she could park her car somewhere. See, like, look at the size of that freaking mountain. That's ours up there. Oh, Laura did a good job decorating. Yeah, so look at this. This is taller than me. Anyway, I gotta back up now. These guys don't turn the lights off during the night, so it lights up my room. It's always lovely.